Hi there. I'm Dafny from Danberg Micro-credentials, and today I'm excited to share with you 7 things to improve yourself as a sales professional, as another episode of Sales Performance Mastery. But before we dive into these essential skills, let's take a moment to understand why personal growth is vital in the world of sales. In the fast-paced and ever-evolving sales landscape, the need for continuous improvement is more important than ever. Customers have access to a wealth of information and countless options at their fingertips. To succeed, we must consistently enhance our skills to provide exceptional value and stand out from the competition. So, let's get started. 1. Effective communication. Let's kick things off with effective communication. As sales professionals, we must be able to clearly articulate our message, persuade our prospects, and build rapport. It's like being a master linguist without needing a passport. Excellent communication skills help us connect with customers on a deeper level, understand their needs, and present compelling solutions. Just remember, don't let your words get lost in translation. 2. Product expertise. Becoming a subject matter expert in your offerings is crucial to gaining customers' trust and closing deals. It's not just about knowing the features. It's about understanding how our products or services solve specific pain points and deliver value to our customers. Remember, you're not just selling widgets, you're selling the answer to all of life's little inconveniences. 3. Exceptional customer service. Going the extra mile to provide exceptional experiences sets us apart from the competition and encourages repeat business and referrals. By actively listening, showing empathy, and addressing customer concerns promptly, we create loyal customers who become advocates for our brand. 4. Problem solving. Problem-solving skills are essential in sales. We must understand our customers' pain points, anticipate their challenges, and position our offerings as the perfect solution. Think of yourself as the Sherlock Holmes of sales, always one step ahead in cracking the case of customer satisfaction. 5. Business acumen. To succeed in sales, we must have a strong understanding of the business landscape, including our customers' industries, market trends, and competitive positioning. It's like being a sales Jedi, mastering the ways of the market and wielding your knowledge to influence the sales force. 6. Closing. Now, let's tackle the art of closing deals. Effective closing requires a combination of persuasion, negotiation, and relationship-building skills. It's like being a smooth-talking superhero, using your powers of persuasion to save the day and seal the deal. 7. Continuous improvement. Last but certainly not least, continuous improvement. To thrive in sales, we must embrace a growth mindset and commit to ongoing self-improvement. Remember, every day is a chance to level up and become the sales superstar you were destined to be. Keep evolving and never stop shining. In conclusion, improving yourself as a sales professional requires a commitment to growth, a dedication to mastering key skills, and a genuine passion for delivering exceptional value to your customers. Thank you for joining me today as we explored these 7 essential areas of improvement. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.